If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
You ever wish you could just type an idea and instantly turn it into a high-quality image or video? Like no complicated setup, no editing skills, just pure creation? Well, I think I just found one of the cleanest AI creative tools out there right now, and it's called Krea AI. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm testing out Krea AI, which claims to be an all-in-one AI suite for creatives, meaning you can generate images, videos, upscale content, and even experiment with different models, all in one place. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how it works, what stood out to me, and whether it actually feels good to use. So right away, when you land on Krea, it positions itself as this powerful AI hub for creators. And honestly, from what I'm seeing, that's pretty accurate. You're not just getting one tool, you're getting access to AI image generation, AI video generation, upscaling and enhancing, real-time editing, even advanced stuff like training your own models. It's kind of like a creative playground powered by AI. If you've ever used AI tools before, you probably know the struggle. You need one tool for images, another for video, another for upscaling, and everything feels disconnected. Krea solves that by putting everything into one clean interface. So instead of jumping between platforms, you can literally go from idea to image to video to enhancement, all without leaving the app. That's honestly one of the biggest things I noticed. 1. Image generation. So first thing I tried, generating an image. And it's super straightforward. You just type what you want, and boom. What's cool is you can explore different image models right inside the platform. I saw options like Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 Flux models. Each one has slightly different styles and strengths, so you're not stuck with just one look. You can experiment depending on what you want. 2. Video generation. Now this part is really interesting. You can also generate videos and choose between different models like WAN 2.1, WAN 2.2, Kling 2.6/3.0, and each model shows things like speed, quality, level, credit cost. So you can kind of balance between performance versus quality. When I clicked into it, the interface was super clean. Just type your idea, pick style, resolution, and generate. No complicated timeline or editing tools. It's very prompt-based. 3. Upscale and enhance. Another feature I liked is the Upscale and Enhance tool. You can take an image or video and boost it up to really high quality, even up to 22K resolution based on what I saw. So if your output isn't perfect the first time, you can refine it without starting over. 4. Extra tools, real-time, edit, etc. There are also extra tools like real-time generation, editing tools, motion transfer, even 3D objects. And I like that these are all organized on the sidebar. It doesn't feel overwhelming. Everything is just there. 5. Node apps/creative experiments. There's also this section called Node apps, and this is where things get more experimental. Stuff like animating yourself, CCTV style effects, product style visuals. It feels like a mix of fun plus practical tools, which I didn't expect. What surprised me the most is how simple everything feels. Like, usually tools with this many features get messy, but here it actually feels smooth. You're not fighting the interface, you're just creating. All right, quick look at pricing. There is a free plan so you can test everything first, which is nice. Then the paid plans are pretty straightforward. Basic, $9 per month, good for getting started. You get 5,000 compute units and up to 4K upscale. Pro, $35 per month, most popular. This is where it gets really usable. More compute, all video models, and up to 8K. Max, $105 per month if you're going heavy. More limits, faster workflow, and up to 22K upscale. And if you're working with a team, business, $200 per month, comes with collaboration tools and higher limits. Plus, enterprise if you need custom setup. Overall, Krea feels like one of those tools that's trying to replace multiple creative apps at once. If you're into AI art, video, or just experimenting with visuals, It's definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know. What would you create with this? I'll see you in the next one.